Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token and Binance listing. Tectonic token will gain Binance listing and even Coinbase. Now, Tectonic token is being hosted on the crypto.com chain Chronos, and one important thing is that this coin just have VPS finance, and crypto.com has a major crypto world exchange that have listed and partner with Tectonic token. Now, there's a possibility of a big rise. There's a possibility of a big listing coming, which is from what? Which is from top crypto exchanges, especially I believe very soon Binance will be listing this coin because they are watching this coin. They are looking at this coin. Even since last year, before this year, Binance have been watching so many coins, and right now this coin have really increased in terms of market cap, in terms of price, and I believe that this coin Tectonic token is going to be one of the best if the developers will keep on doing what they are doing, if they will keep on pushing this coin, if they will keep on trying to burn and destroy Tectonic token coins, because Tectonic tokens still have a lot of coins, and I believe the burning of this coin will definitely help Tectonic token to massively increase in price. Please remember, this is not the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. I know for sure that Binance can't list this coin, but it all depends on Tectonic token. It all depends on how they were working hard to make sure they gain the support of Binance, especially in the area of burning. I believe this coin will definitely increase in price with a lot of support they've been getting recently. But please remember, this is the financial advice, so kindly do your own research before taking any